Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll just quickly unbox this. So this is the 66 Buick Riviera in this plain black color. It's a new casting for this year and it's a mainline on MRP. So let's just unbox it first. So finally we have it out of the blister, and I won't lie, this looks absolutely menacing in this black color. I actually quite like that it has no details except for this slight detail which says Riviera in a nice handwriting style font. Other than that, this looks menacing, like it's a plain black and it's a glossy black, and it has a chromed out base, so it's nice. The chromed out base actually extends to its grill, and I like these pointy headlights. It's very nice. We have this stripe even painted in a chrome paint, I guess, and we have the door handle painted as well, and the wheels are 5-spoke and they are chromed out as well. So overall this is a very nice mainline in this plain black color. It looks menacing. So let me know your thoughts about this casting and subscribe to the channel for more diecast videos. Thank you.